The myth we will discuss and buzz is that men live dirtier than women do.
To discover the true result of this myth, we're gonna use cotton buds and petri dishes. A petri dish is named after the German bacteriologist Julius Richard Petri. It is a shallow cylindrical glass or plastic lidded dish that biologists use to grow cells such as bacteria in our case.
Boring!
We're gonna use cotton buds to collect the bacteria from the objects we're gonna test.
We're gonna put the collected bacteria into the petri dishes and leave them overnight.
First we are going to collect bacteria from our phones.
After that we will collect the bacteria from the door handles of the toilet.
And last but not least, we are going to collect bacteria from the toilet seats.
I think girls live cleaner than boys do because boys have a more dirty lifestyle.
I don't think there will be much of a difference because I don't see a specific reason why boys should be dirtier than women are.
I agree with Sanna because I also think that boys live dirtier.
My guess is that girls live dirtier than men do because I live pretty clean.
Let's get right into it.
Now we're gonna wipe the girls' phones.
After we collected all the bacteria of our phones, we wiped it over the petri dish. We did this with all the experiments.
Now we're gonna test the boys' phone.
Now we wipe the door handle of the boys' toilet.
Now we will wipe the cotton buds over the petri dish again.
We wrote the information of the experiment on the petri dish, so we don't mix them up.
We did all the experiments twice, so when one goes wrong, we have a backup plan.
Now we wipe the door handle of the girls' toilet.
Now we're gonna wipe the toilet seat of the boys. Niet op het natte gedeelte. So now we're gonna do a second time if the first time goes wrong.
Now we're going to wipe the toilet seats of the girls.
Okay, now we're gonna wipe the girls' toilet again for the first one fills.
Now we use the oven to grow the bacteria we collected.
After we did all the experiments, we put all the petri dishes into the oven. After that, we turned the oven to 34 degrees.
3 days later.
The yellow parts are the bacteria, so the more yellow parts you see, the dirtier it is.
You can see the boys' phones are way dirtier than the girls because of the yellow dots.
As you can see, the door handle of the boys' toilet is pretty dirty. Now let's go look at the door handle of the girls' toilet.
You can see that the girls' door handle is really clean.
You can see a lot of yellow. This means that the boys' seat is very, very dirty.
The girls' toilet is very dirty as well, but the boys' toilet is way dirtier.
So as you can see, Naomi and I were correct. The boys do live dirtier. We weren't able to bust this myth, but now all the girls are able to tell the boys that they live dirty without any doubts.